Hello guys. Sorry I have not been uploading lately, but I have come out with a new video, so please watch to the end. And as you read in the title, we will be making a button in HTML. So if you watched my video on how to make a link in HTML, that would also be really nice, as we will be using that same tag in this video. So let's get started. So in HTML, when you want to make a button, we have to use the button tag. So let's say we want to make a button that does nothing. So we would go button equals, button type equals button. Then we close that off, and then we'll see that this automatically comes for us. This is in my editor, IDE, Visual Studio Code, VS Code. And you can see inside this little part where this tag ends and this one starts, there's like a little space here. This we can put the name for our button. So let's say our name, we want our name to be my button. We should take out these spaces. There, my button. Then we were to run this using the live server extension on VS Code. My button will pop up here. Now, right now, as you can notice, it does not do anything. It's just a normal button that you can press. We want to add it so it can functionally work as a button, take you to a website. So we're gonna make a button that takes us to the world's biggest search engine, Google.com. So like I said earlier, it would be helpful if you watched my video on links in HTML, because we will be using the same tag like I said earlier. So let's go. Let's use the same tag. First, we'll use the A. We're not gonna close it yet. A href equals. Oh wait, I always add the same. Let's go https .google.com. Then let's close it. And then you see, like earlier, there's a little space between these two tags, even though it's the same. There's a little space right here. In this space, what we write will come up. So basically, if we keep it like this, it will be a normal functioning link. Oh wait, I don't have any text, that's why. But I'll have to put in some text, and then it will be a functioning link, because that's how it works. So inside this, if we were to put a button tag, button type equals button equals that, set the name to link to Google, link to Google. Okay, we do that, and then we run this again. See, now a new button comes up, and it says link to Google. If we were to press this button, it would take us to google.com. See, as you can see up in the top, in the search bar, it says google.com. So, right now, as you notice, is a plain button, and many of you want to be making websites with HTML. And if you were to use that, it wouldn't be so impressive. So, we should add some CSS. Let's go. It would be simple. Though I am not really good at CSS, so I'll try my best. And then slash style. So let's just do an example. Like, how would you start doing CSS? So since this is a button, we would use dot button, and then we'll use the curly brackets. Now, everything that we put in here is going to be for this code, for this button. So if we go like height, I have not done CSS in a long time, but let's go auto. And then width, 100 pixels. Oh wait, I forgot we can use pixels. Okay, we'll also go 500 pixels. But if we were to do that, the height of the button will go to 500 pixels. Now this will be the end of the video. I will try to put a tutorial for this CSS, adding extra to the button later. But yeah, I hope you learned something in this video, and I'd like to see you in the next video, and bye.